Hi everyone, welcome back. We're going to do a little bit more work on classifying and sorting using our water animals. And we're going to use our Venn diagram that we've been working on. Now, just to kind of review, so we've got two circles here that overlap each other. There's this circle here and there's this circle over here. So what we're going to do, animals that can swim, we're going to put over in this circle. Animals that can walk, we're going to put in this circle. Now, some animals can swim and walk. We're going to put them in the middle, okay? Because they're part of the swim circle and they're part of the walk circle. So let's take a look and see what we have. I'm going to move my camera a little bit so I don't have to hold that up quite so high because the animals don't like to sit on it when it's so high. So let's start with, oh, this looks like a shark. Does a shark swim or walk? Now a shark does not have any legs or anything to walk on. So we're going to put him over here in the side that is for animals that swim. So it's in the swim part of the circle. Okay, what about, let's see. What about a sea turtle? A sea turtle. Okay, sea turtles mostly swim, but they are able to walk a little bit. They walk up onto the beach and lay their eggs. So since they can swim and walk, we're going to put them in this middle part. They swim and walk, so they're part of both circles. All right, here is a whale. A whale. Does a whale swim or walk? It doesn't have legs, so we're going to put it over here with the swim animals in the swim circle. Okay, so these animals swim, these animals walk, and these can do both. What about a penguin? A penguin. Does a penguin walk, swim, or both? If you said both, you are right. It can be part of both circles, so I'm going to put it in the middle. And I'm going to kind of lay him down because he likes to fall over, especially if I'm holding the board up slanted like I am. So we're going to lay him down here. The penguin can do both. It can walk and it can swim, so it's part of both circles. How about, ooh, here's a hammerhead shark. Does he swim or walk? If you said swim, you're right. We're going to put it over here with the swim animals. I'm starting to notice something about those swim animals. They don't have any legs. Okay, here is a alligator. Alligator, does he swim or does he walk? Does he swim or walk? He does both also, doesn't he? He does both. So he is part of the walking circle and he's part of the swimming circle. Both circles. We're going to put him in the middle. What about a sea star? This is like a trick question. This is like a trick question. So the sea star does not swim, so it can't be in this circle. It's kind of unusual to find a water animal that doesn't swim because that's kind of how you get around in the water. And you would even have to kind of stretch it to say the sea star is walking. It sort of has a funny way of getting around. We could maybe call it walking. So we're going to put him over here in the walking circle. So he's not in both. He's just in walking. What about a stingray? A stingray. Well, there's no legs there, so I'm going to guess swim. If you've been to the zoo, you've probably seen stingrays. We're going to put him over here in the circle just for swimming. These animals only swim. They don't walk. These animals do both. And then our sea star is a sea animal that does not swim. Crazy, right? Okay, here comes another tricky one. here is an octopus. An octopus. What do you think? Did you know, this is crazy, did you know octopuses, I guess that's what you say, they can swim and walk both? I had to look that up to make sure I was telling you the right thing. An octopus can swim and walk. I'm not sure I would really want to see that, but apparently it's possible. So when we have a chart like this, we can look at our information and see really easily, what does this tell us? That most water animals can swim. That kind of makes sense, doesn't it? Out of all those animals, there's only one that doesn't swim. So that is one of the good things about having your information into a Venn diagram. You can make observations and learn things really easily when our data is laid out like this. So we know that most water animals, and this makes sense, they can swim. There's only one of our animals here that can't swim. Okay, good job classifying. We'll see you later.